Write 4 equivalent fraction to 3 by 5 and 7 by 9. Now solution 3 by 5 equal to 3 into 2 by 5 into 2. 3 into 3 by 5 into 3. 3 into 4 by 5 into 4. 3 into 5 by 5 into 5. 6 by 10. 9 by 15. 12 by 20. 15 by 25. 7 by 9 equal to 7 into 2 by 9 into 2 equal to 7 into 3 by 9 into 3 equal to 7 into 4 by 9 into 4 equal to 7 into 5 by 9 into 5. 14 by 18 equal to 21 by 27 equal to 28 by 36 equal to 35 by 45. For equivalent फ्रिक्शन ये और ये हुआ आंसर।